Hi there, little friends. Today I'm going to tell you a fantastic story about Uncle Gary the T-Rex, Dino the Dino, and Whiskers the Cat. They're on a little adventure at the farm, growing some yummy carrots. Let's dive into their day, shall we? One sunny morning, Uncle Gary, with his big green scales, and Dino, who loves to roar loudly, decided to plant some carrot seeds. Oh, and let's not forget Whiskers the Cat, with her soft, fluffy tail, who was just as excited as her friends. First, they found the perfect spot in the farm's soil. "This looks good," Uncle Gary said with a smile. They dug little holes in the ground and very carefully dropped in the tiny seeds, each seed a promise of a yummy carrot. Now, growing carrots takes a bit of patience. Uncle Gary watered the seeds gently while Dino made sure the soil was just right. And Whiskers? She kept the bugs away with quick pounces and a watchful eye. Days turned into weeks, and with some sunshine, water, and a lot of love, tiny green shoots began to appear. "Look, they're growing!" cheered Dino, clapping his little dino hands. Uncle Gary laughed, and Whiskers purred happily. As the carrots grew, so did our friends' excitement. They learned that working together made any task easier. And soon it was time to harvest their carrots. They pulled at the greens, and up came the carrots, bright and orange. What a joy it was to see their hard work pay off. Uncle Gary, Dino, and Whiskers shared their fresh carrots with everyone on the farm, reminding them that by helping each other, we can all grow wonderful things just like their carrots. So my little friends, remember, whether it's growing carrots or helping out at home, when we work together, everything is better and more fun. Good night, and dream of gardens full of carrots and adventures. This tale of Uncle Gary and his friends not only brings a smile, but also teaches us the value of friendship and teamwork. Until next time, keep dreaming and growing just like those carrots.